Hello and welcome back. In this Trainspotter part to travel we'll be taking a South Western Railway class 458-5 from Staines to Clapham Junction. Here are some quick facts before we board our South Western Railway service to Clapham Junction. The section of South Western Railway's network we are following on was first opened in the 1840s by the London and South Western Railway between 1910 and 1930. The line was electrified with a 750-watt DC third rail system between Staines and Clapham Junction by the London and South Western Railway and the Southern Railway. Our service is formed of a pair of 5 coaches class 458-5s Genitors built by Alstom between 1998 and 2002.
This train is for London Waterloo.
Good morning everyone, it's your girl speaking. Welcome aboard this South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via
The interior of the 458-5 is pleasant, which is very nice as they are designed as a commuter line train. The toilet on board is broken, so it is not reviewed. The seats are well tidied for the service they work because realistically I'm not going to be sitting on them for more than about an hour to an hour and a half. With most of it will be far less than that since they are primarily taking shorter hops. I'd expect plug sockets and USB sockets so that you can then charge your mobile devices. The station stats for the stations which I boarded and alighted from: Staines railway station received 1.98 million passengers last year, and Clapham Junction received 40.01 million passengers last year. We call that the stations of Ashford, Surrey, Charlton, Witton, Tottenham, Richmond, and Putney between Staines and Clapham Junction.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Witton.
You can see the disused platforms 1 and 2 as we depart from Twickenham, which were used as rugby special platforms. Twickenham also is the home of English rugby and not the town of Rugby in the Midlands. During rugby matches, the Windsor Line services can become heavily overcrowded as they run at low frequencies, have third rail electrification, have low line speeds and have a fair amount of level crossings. As we depart Richmond, you can see the London Overground North London Line platforms rebranded to the Windrush line, and the London Underground District Line platforms and tracks, which soon peeled away for Kew Gardens.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Putney.
We are just joining the 4-track section of the Windsor line, starting at Barnes, with the lines joining us from the north are the Hounslow Loop lines, and heading beyond Clapham Junction to around Queenstown Road, Battersea where it becomes triple track to allow the former Eurostar flyover to fit, which used to take Eurostar trains to London Waterloo.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Clapham Junction.
Station stats for the station's boarding and lighting from Staines Railway Station received 1.98 million passengers last year, and Clapham Junction received 40.01 million passengers last year. We call that Belton, Twickenham and Richmond between Staines and Clapham Junction. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Trainspotter from Berkshire.